In this video, I'll be explaining how to download and install TekVox's TekManager software. TekManager is an administrative software tool that's used for viewing, controlling, and configuring tech monitors, and this is important because tech monitors form the basis of all TekVox managed AV control systems. To begin the process of installing TekManager, open a web browser and navigate to the TekVox website. To download any TekVox software, you'll first want to be logged in to the TekVox website. Clicking Log In the top right corner of the page will bring you to the login page. If you already have an account, you can log in by entering your username and password, completing the CAPTCHA test, and then click Log In. If you do not have an account already, you can click Register in the bottom left corner of the login page. The site will prompt you to enter a username and valid email address and to complete the CAPTCHA test. Click Register, and you will receive a confirmation email at the address you entered with a temporary password to log into your new account. Once you've logged in, go to Downloads and then Software in the main navigation bar at the top of the page. In the download list, click on TekManager Management Software to begin downloading the install wizard. If you do not see the TekManager file, check to make sure that you're logged in and then try again. Once the download has completed, go to the Setup TekManager MSI file and select Open to start the installation process. Agree to the TekVox license agreement when prompted and select where you would like to install the TekManager folder. Click Next to begin the installation of TekManager. Once the installation has finished, click Close to exit out of the setup wizard. You have now successfully installed TekManager and can begin using it to view, control, and configure tech monitors on your network. Thanks for watching.